Good morning, second graders. Let's do some chapter practice. Let's go back over the things that we've been practicing in chapter 9, and let's take a look. We are on page 455, and the goal for today is to go over the things and just practice a little bit. From 9.1, I'll do a few problems. You do the other ones that I don't do. Okay? All right, so we'll get some practice that way. 230 plus 10 more. So I add one set of 10 to the tens place. I don't change the hundreds. I don't change the ones. I do change the tens by adding one more. 3 plus one more is 4. Same thing here, but I'm adding hundreds. 623 plus 100. I'm not changing the ones. I'm not changing the tens, but I am changing the hundreds by adding 1. 623 plus 100 is 723. Then I go down here to number 5, 384 plus 100 more. Same thing. I'm not changing the ones. I'm not changing the tens. I'm changing the hundreds by going up 1. I'm adding 1. So now instead of 300s, I have 400s. I'm going to skip this one. I want you to take care of that. And let's go down here. Modeling in real life. You have 170 football stickers and some baseball stickers. That's a clue. Some. Doesn't tell me how many. You have 360 stickers in all. How many baseball stickers do you have? We only know that you have some. All right. So in the last lesson, we were talking about algebra. This is an algebra problem. I have 170 plus something is going to equal 360. Now, I can call that something. Baseball stickers, I can call it B. 170 plus baseball stickers equals 360. All right, so all I have to do is use my open number line, and let's start at 170. 170, and I need to get to 360. Now, let's see if we can do this by going up. If I go 100, that would be 270. If I go 200, that would already be 370, and that's too much. Okay? So I can't go higher than 360. That would be too much. All right, so let's go 100 plus 100 makes 270. Now, let's see, what could I do to get all the way up to 360? I know. Let's make this 270. Let's make it to the next 100. I need 3 more sets of 10 to get to 300. So I'm going to add 3 sets of 10, which is 30. 270 plus 30 makes 300. And then I need to get to 360, which is plus 60. 300 plus 60 equals 360. All right, so I have stopped where I'm supposed to stop, and I have added all of these things. The problem is I don't know how many I've added. So let's figure it out. I take this and this and this and put them all together. That's going to equal my B, my missing number, B. 100 plus 30 is 130, plus 6 more tens is 190. Another way I could look at this, because I can add in any order, is 6 tens plus 3 tens is 90. I add that to 100, and I have 190. So how many baseball stickers I have? 190. All right. Oh, let's see. I have, let's see. Oh, sorry about that, boys and girls. Number 10. So I want you to do the other problems on this page. Then number 10, I'll skip that. Number 9. Number 10, I have 604 plus 217. My open number line, that's all I have to do is start wherever I want. Wherever it makes sense for our problem. 604 is where I'm going to start. Then I'll add all of this, 210 and 7, 217. So I add 100 plus 100 makes 704, plus 100 more makes 804, right? Then I add my 10. 804 plus 10 is 814. Then I add my 7 more plus 7. 7 plus 14, or 7 plus 4 is 11. And then that 10 comes over here to the next set, and that makes it another set of 10, which gives us 2 10s, 821. All right, let's go to the next problem. Use compensation to add. This is the one that we didn't do a whole lot of, but we can do it. To make this easier to do, I'm going to make this 205 into just 200. To do that, I'm going to take away this 5, right? If I have 205 and I take away 5, that's going to equal 200. When I get over here, when I take it away from here, it's like I took it and I'm holding it. I need to bring it to the other side to make it even. I can't just take 5 away and get rid of them. I have to move it over here. 631 plus 5 is 636. 5 plus 1 is 6. There's no 10s to add. There's no hundreds to add. 636. Then when I look here, 200 plus 636, all I have to do is add 2 of these hundreds to these hundreds. Right? I don't change the ones. I don't change the 10s. And my 600 goes up by 2 more. 6, 7, 8. 836. All right, just like that. Then it says Newton uses compensation to find 198 plus 267. If he does the problem like this, let me try to zoom in. So it says he does the problem like this. And he takes and he adds 2 to the 198 to become 200. But where did that 2 come from? He didn't take them away from here to bring them over here. He added the same to each. That's like saying that there's 4 extra. There's this one and this one. He just put in 4, 2 over here and 2 over here, and he added them into the problem. That won't work. So, is he correct? No. No, he needs to. So, comma. No, he needs to subtract 2 from 267. So he can add to 198. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for paying attention. I want to make sure that you are following along. I want you to do the problems that I didn't do on these 2 pages, page 455, 456, and make sure that you know how to do these. All right. Excellent. Hope you have a great day.